Need to fix the Umpdc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we get into the manual guide for Umpdc Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Umpdc Library, the User Mode Power Service Coordinator. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of power profiles and background activity, facilitating the efficiency manifest for system data links. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Umpdc is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Umpdc Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Manual intervention with Umpdc Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overwriting newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing Umpdc library references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Umpdc library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.